to Beth's Best Temu haul. I'm so excited for this video tonight because Temu reached out to me to do a collaboration, and I'm so excited to expand my channel into fashion hauls. So I'm so happy for Temu giving me this opportunity to do that for you, because I think it's super important to show that even if we're plus size, we can still have beautiful clothes, and we do not have to break the bank to do it. All right, so Temu gave me a discount code. It's deal9568. I will put it on the screen here so that you can see it. You can use that code and you'll get 30% off your already bargain basement prices. So you can't beat that, and that is for new customers. So if you haven't heard of Temu yet, Temu is an online marketplace, and I believe that there are multiple retailers who sell on this online marketplace. The prices are absolutely amazing. So there's two ways that you can shop at Temu. You can either go to temu.com online, or you can download the app on your phone or your tablet, and you can click that and just shop to your heart's content. It's so easy, and they always have coupons and discount codes for you. I also want to let you know they always have free shipping. And Temu also has free returns up to 90 days. I mean, you can't beat that. So before doing the collaboration, I decided to try Temu out for myself, and I went and I ordered just a bunch of random stuff. I was super impressed. I got everything within about a week, and I was very happy with everything. This was one of the tops that I got that I just love, and it's so comfortable. So I'm super happy with it. I also want to let you know that these reading glasses, these were also from Temu. These feel like my prescription glasses, and they're so cute. They have so many fun styles. So I want to let you know down below, everything will be linked, everything that you see here. So let's go ahead and get started and see what the heck I got. So my goal was to show you 3 complete outfits. So I got this top, this cute necklace, and these parachute type pants. So I just want to show you on the sides they have this cute pocket detail, and they're kind of like in I Dream of Jeannie, where they have the elastic cuff on the bottom. I will list my sizes below. I probably could have gone down one size in these, and the top was just a little tight around my bust, but I am quite large up here. But I absolutely love this. It's very much like a parachute type material, very lightweight, very nice for summer. So let's take a look. And it was probably hard to see the shoes on there, but these are the sandals. They're super cute wedges, and this is kind of like maybe a vinyl fabric material, metallic gold, and then the back is stretchy. So one thing that I would say is check the measurement of the inside of the foot when you are online shopping, because you want to make sure that you get the right size shoe. So I am getting a 40, which I believe is an 8.5 or a 9 US size. But those are super cute and super comfortable. So the next one that I want to show you is this really cute top, and I love these flouncy sleeves. This did have a tack. It was sewn here. Again, I'm busty, so that pulled and it didn't look right. So I just used my seam ripper and I took that little thread out, and then I just wear the tank top underneath. The jeans are very comfortable, and the only thing is that I am 5'4", and so this is how they come, which is super cute. I like that look, but I had to roll them up twice because it was quite long for me, but super cute. They fit really nice. They do have a little bit of stretch in them, and I liked the rips. I thought it looked kind of modern and youthful. So let's take a quick look, and you can tell me what you think about that. So these were the sandals that I had ordered to go with that outfit. Super cute. I did not heed my own warning, and I did not look at the inside size. So I accidentally gave them too small of a size. So I'm going to exchange them for the right size, but they're super cute, and this is like an elastic. And it's very important for me to just be able to have a sandal that I can slip on and that I don't have to buckle. I have herniated discs in my back, and I have arthritis in my back, so I'm not able to go all the way down and do all that buckling. They do have a little zipper detail in the back. That's fine. So I just need to get my correct size, but look at these. They're adorable. Oh my gosh. So they will be in the link for you guys. So the third and final outfit that I want to show you is this cute top with the cute flouncy sleeves, with that little bit of fringe on there, and it probably didn't show on the video, but the bottom also has fringe on it. And I got this cute necklace, you guys. It's a kitty cat. Isn't that adorable? So that will be in there, that link as well. And these jeans were super cute. I had to cuff them twice. For these jeans, the zipper felt like a little bit cheap, but hopefully it will last because they have stretch. So I think as long as they're not too tight for you, then it's fine. And I have to show you the cute sandals that I got to go with that. Look at these. How cute, how comfortable. So these are a 40, that's a European size. I could have probably gone a half size smaller, but that's okay. I don't mind if they're a little bit big in the summertime. You know, you get warm, but they're so cute. I just love them. Just enough of a heel, but super comfortable. Again, slipping on and off is important to me, so that's all you have to do. Just slip them on and off. All right, let's take a look, and you tell me what you think. So you guys are going to have to let me know, which outfit was your favorite? Did you think I did a good job? Did I get a good haul? Did I pick out good things? I tell you what, I am super happy with everything. I can't believe that I got 3 complete outfits with accessories and sandals. That's amazing. So I'm going to link it, everything down below, so you can hop over there if you want to check it out for yourself. And I have to say that, like that shirt behind me here with the ruffly sleeves, they have that in multiple patterns. Some of them have like the pattern is on the shirt part where that's a solid black, and then the sleeve might be a solid color, and vice versa. Floral patterns, you name it. I'm going to go order some more of those shirts in different patterns because I love the sleeve. I like to have a sleeve. I'm not into showing my arms. It's just my own thing. I don't like to. Anyways, I am so happy and I'm so grateful to Temu for collaborating with me on this because I have been wanting to do this for a really long time. I mean, you all know I love my hair, but I also love fashion. and I love home decor. I love so many things, and it's kind of fun now with Temu. I have the opportunity to be able to show you some of those fun things and another side of me and another side of my life and what I like. And I hope that you find that helpful and enjoyable. So let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see more fashion haul videos like this, and I will be happy to oblige. And I'm happy to be able to have a budget-friendly place where I can go shopping and find really cute clothes. It's really hard for me in my area now because so many retail shops have actually closed, and a lot of it happened during the pandemic. So it's kind of a struggle to be able to find clothes to fit me that are cute and fun and youthful. I mean, I don't just want to walk around, you know, wearing a gunny sack. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here and you're still here, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Press that bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. And don't forget to expand that description box below. Use my discount code and follow those links. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Not so easy to film a video when I keep getting photobombed. We just planted grass seed and the chickens are eating it. Yeah, no grass seed. Like seriously, I feed them all the time. They're bottomless pits. I need more eggs. Less eating, more eggs. Yeah, and then if I'm not being photobombed by chickens, I'm being photobombed by kitties. Kitties. The silly kitties. Spot. What are you doing, Spot?